should let go.
In this video, I'm going to teach you all how to do a git commit and a git push so they can go to your GitHub. So this will be a very informative video for you. This is the part 4, so let's get straight into it. First thing I want you to do is to create something in the branch that you're using. I'm going to use the main branch, which is like the head branch, and I'm just going to do index.html. I'm just write some HTML, and I'm going to do exclamation mark, and it brings up some code. I'm just going to title this really quickly example project, which is what we've been working on, and I'm gonna just put an h1 tag right here and just name this is an example project. Okay, and so now what I want to do is I want to be able to, I'm gonna save it, and now I want to be able to, these are untracked files, and I want them to be now tracked into GitHub now and be on this branch. So what I'm going to do from this point on is you can click over here with the source control, and it'll show you that these are changes that are untracked and what you can do with it. But I'm going to go in the terminal right now, and I'm going to do a git add and then a period, a space period, and then you're going to click enter. What that do is it's going to stage your changes, all your changes when you do that. So I usually just recommend just doing the git add. Usually if you want to just stage everything that you just worked on. So what you're going to do is do a git commit now, -m, and then you're going to put them in quotations, and then you're just going to write whatever you want to name it. So I'm putting adding HTML. Then I'm going to click enter, and then that one file has been changed, and it's 12 insertions, which means that's what I added. And then just to make sure, you will do a git push origin, and then you can do head. That will do the most current, like the top branch, or you can just name it whatever the branch is. So mine's is main, so I'm gonna do git push origin main, and then it does this work, and then bam, now the project is, if you check my GitHub, now you will see, refresh the page, now you see my changes are now added to the GitHub, exactly what I have. So that is it. That is how you do a git commit and a git push to be able to push your changes to your GitHub. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Espero que tengas un buen día. Ciao.